I hope you're having a good weekend. It's Sunday afternoon, February 4th. I just wanted to give a heads up to all our subscribers at cmgcrypto.com, all of our newsletter subscribers. Just give you a quick heads up, let you know that I did sell all of my Fetch.ai last night at 54 cents. And it wasn't because I'd planned on it. Many of you know it's one of our top 10 cryptos that we were really heavy into. This was probably one of my biggest plays coming into the upcoming bull market. I really thought this project could do a 10x for sure. Uh, I've been buying it for a while. My average cost was at about 30 cents. We sold at 54 cents. So I made about 60% on the trade total, which, you can't lose money as long as you're selling, uh, you've got to be willing to sell the product, the project, as long as you're selling at a profit, you're doing fine. But this is one that I was really planning on holding on to, but I ran across a report about 2 o'clock this morning that says business as usual amidst opposing reports of insolvency, that Fetch.ai was basically going bankrupt. I was ready to go to sleep when I ran across this article. I have alerts set up on my phone. So any news that comes out on any particular crypto that I'm invested in, I get the news reports. And honestly, I just didn't feel like reading it. I didn't have time to read it. I was tired. It'd been a long day. Kentucky had gotten beat uh, earlier, and I was just ready to try to get some sleep. And I was up. I could sell it at 60%, profit. So I just made the move. You can't lose money if you're selling at a profit. I wish now that I had taken the time to wait and make that decision this morning, but in my mind, it's at 54 cents right now. I don't want to wake up in the morning. My cost base on this coin is about 30 cents. I don't want to wake up in the morning and see that it's fallen to a quarter. So I'm just going to sell it, take my profits, and I'll do the investigation uh, today. And as I do start doing some investigation, I just think I probably sold too soon. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but you can do your own research if you're invested in Fetch AI, the symbol FET. You can do your own research, and come to your own conclusions based upon where you are. But as a subscriber to our newsletter and to our updates and to our vetted calls at cmgcrypto.com, I felt very obligated, when I'm making a move like this to let you guys know. So that's what I'm doing. Do your own research if you're invested in Fetch AI and come to your own conclusions. But uh, I wanted to get this video to you quickly. I hope you're having a great Sunday afternoon. And this is Dale Calvert. I'll talk to you soon.